And then ITP, whichever the things you are referring, the same thing you need to share it with the chat.
So what you can do, you can send me the document. I will take the same number from there so that there is no mismatch. Need to attach, yes, correct.
Saraman sir, did you hear our request?
Yeah, I'm here. I heard. I'll share my screen. See, this is the one of the contractor ITP. This is the inspection and test plan for fabrication and erection of steel structure plant. Okay, it is in revision 0, code 3. No comments.
Yeah. Okay. So Sarvana, you can download this. You can download this one and send to me, please.
Yeah, sure. I will send it to Mr. Shivaram. Okay.
Yeah, no issues.
Yeah.
Saraman sir,
Okay.
sir, can you go back to your screen? Saraman sir. Yeah, so one moment, Saraman sir. Mr. Chairman.
Even
Here, please write typical.
typical, yeah, typical.
Yeah. So typical ITP that he will share to me, I will share to you. Similarly, Saraman sir, the quality audit report also share to me, and also the quality audit report closeout also you share to me.
So
Okay.
yeah,
That's all.
what I will
Okay,
do
sir.
after the workshop, I will identify all this document and send one email to Arul so that you can send to the relevant subject matter and they can send it to us.
No.
So I will take a pen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now Mr. Rao is attending. Can you check?
Rao, you are there? No.
Okay. So, is there anything else from my side? I can share this audit report and ITP. Yeah.
Yeah, no, please be here. Please be here because 2.3 is also there with you.
Oh, you can complete the 2.3.
Yeah. 2.3 will complete it. Okay. So this is the same thing. I will copy from here.
I call you.